everyone. I am Professor Raja, working as Assistant Professor, EC Department, SNS College of Technology, and Autonomous Institution, Coimbatore. In this YouTube video, we are going to see 19 ECO 301 Consumer Electronics subject under Unit 3 Electronic Music Synthesizer, the topic Electric Guitar. So, in previous YouTube video, under Unit 3, we have discussed what is the use of consumer electronics on music field. That is how the drums is working, how a digital computer is working for recording and reproduction, how a normal projector is used for telecasting the output. So this YouTube video is fully described about electric guitar. Sound is commercial to the extent that a segment of the public has a preference to the same audio qualities consciously or subconsciously, but preference changes gradually and usually in favor of more realistic effect, because that ultimately is the easiest to listen to. Artificial effects ultimately become tiring. What may have started as a wonderful sound does not continue to satisfy. So in order to avoid the problem of realistic, we can go for electrically generated or electronically generated form of music that have produced a more acceptable value. And studios are becoming more and more involving in these devices. We are living in days where purely electronic sounds that are not intended to simulate some order or some older sound form are beginning to gain acceptance in their own right. So electric guitar, the guitar was the first instrument to make popular use of electronics. Electric guitar uses a suitable pickup to transduce the motion of the guitar strings to electrical signal. So here the motion of the guitar strings is converted into electrical signals. These signals may be amplified and fed into one or more loudspeakers, and usually provision is made to modify the character of sound in several ways. The tone may be modified so that a guitar of a given form and size with a fixed tone capability without electronics can be made to sound like many instruments in the guitar family through the use of electronics. In addition, either vibrato or tremolo can be added to tones electronically, and a variety of novelty effects such as fuzzy tone can be produced. This is the picture of how an electronic guitar is look like. So the left hand side will be the harmonic rich pickup side, and the right hand side will be the harmonic weak pickup side. So based on this tone, we can vary the high bass to the low bass sound. The typical United States pattern describes a system for electric guitars and like as illustrated in the previous figure. The pickup section on the guitar may consist of one or more electromagnetic or piezoelectric transducers per string. The output of the pickup section is in electrical form, representing the tones including all partial generated by the vibrating strings of the instrument. The design of pickups and their locations with respect to the string influence the relative amplitude of the partial of the tones, but the position selected for the system is different. The electric signals produced by the pickup section in the previous figure are amplified by an isolating amplifier and passed to a series of circuits which may be selected individually or in combination by means of switches. The series of circuits may include a circuit which passes all partials without polarization, a circuit which passes low frequencies with less attenuation, one or more circuits that alternate or more bands of frequency, and a circuit that favors passage of high frequency signals and attenuates low frequencies. So these oscillators and guitars are producing a sound which is more desired degree and more output rate. The tone signals are again amplified and passed through one or more loudspeaker with a suitable volume control provided at the output control. So this figure shows how an electronic system forms an electric guitar. So this is normally the input followed by more number of low pass filter circuit and followed by a amplified output which is finally given to loudspeaker. So before going to give the loudspeaker, the input form of signal is further amplified by using a power amplifier. So the previous figure illustrates The clipper circuits between pickups and the tone forming filters. The clipper circuit generally serve to augment the strength and number of partials so as to provide greater possibilities for variety in the tone forming filters. The tone forming circuits may be the same as those in may be different. The resulting signals may be treated as this next figure. So this is the figure where modify electronic system for an electronic guitar. So whatever the pickup sound that will be given to clipper. Clipper is the medium where it will clip the wanted signal and removes the unwanted signal. Then further it is given to tone forming filters followed by an amplifier to a demodulated circuit. So thank you for watching my video. In this YouTube video we are discussed the how electronic guitar is working, how they are producing the sounds. Next video we are going to see the envelope detector. Thank you.